we're getting the intro and some parts to Yes He Can. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now that goes right into the verse. We're remembering that every second chord is an and here. So what inversions we're going to use for our verse is what? We're going to use that first inversion chord for the E flat. Push it to the and right there. A flat. Back to the E flat. Now the B flat will take the place of the E flat. C minor. A flat. That keeps repeating, but when we get to this pre-chorus, when I look back, we're going to play an F and a G and an A flat in the left hand, but we're going to play an E flat and an A flat, then an E flat and a B flat over the G part, E flat and A flat over the F part. And then we're going to walk up in octaves, A flat, B flat, C, E flat, getting us to the chorus. That sounds like a whole bunch, so it's when I look back. Let's slow it down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that gets us to the chorus, and the chorus is the exact same groove. The only thing that's different for us is we get to the bridge, and there's some big walks in the bridge. So if we go to the bridge, it's actually walking from what, an F minor, right? To a E flat over G, then an A flat, then a B flat root position, which then if I flatten my thumb, I can get a D diminished, then C minor. So it's going to walk through that 3 times, right? So it's going to walk through it 3 times, and then on the end, it's going to actually go to D flat, which is C sharp. He will, what's the lyric?
He will, he can. He did, he will, he can.
He did is right on the D flat. He did, he will is the A flat. He can takes us back to our E flat section of pushing right through those chords, getting us all the way to the outro choruses.